Dear student, in this video, we will continue our discussion on the answer key. Question 15, it is of 2 marks. Which gas is produced when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to a reactive metal? Write the chemical reaction when iron reacts with dilute sulfuric acid. As we know, when metals react with acid, they will produce hydrogen gas and corresponding salt is formed. So hydrogen gas is liberated here, and reaction can be written as Fe plus H2SO4 forming FeSO4 plus H2. Upward arrow shows its state, that is gaseous state. Mean iron react with H2SO4 sulfuric acid to form iron 2 sulfate and hydrogen gas is liberated in this reaction. Question 16, A part. What material is used in making the filament of an electric bulb? Answer is tungsten. B part. Name the characteristics which makes it suitable for this. Answer: high melting point and high resistivity to retain the heat. Next question for the option. A cylinder of a material is 10 cm long and has a cross section of 2 cm square. If its resistance along the length be 20 ohm, what will be its resistivity? Let us calculate. Given terms: length L 10 cm, area of cross section represented by A 2 cm square, resistance R 20 ohm, resistivity rho we have to find out. As we know, rho equal to RA upon L. Let us fill the value. R 20, area of cross section 2 cm square and length is 10. Answer will be 4 ohm centimeter. Or it can be written as 4 into 10 raised to power minus 2 ohm meter. 17th question. What is a homologous series? Explain with an example. Homologous series may be defined as a series of similarly constituted compounds in which the members present have the same functional group, same chemical properties, and any two successive members in a particular series differ in their molecular formula by bond CH2 group and molecular mass by 14U. You may give any example here from any functional group. Here it is given about alcohol CnH2n plus 1 bond OH. This is general formula for this alcoholic family homologous series. Then members are given: methyl alcohol CH3OH, C2H5OH ethyl alcohol, C3H7OH propyl alcohol, C4H9OH butyl alcohol. Likewise, you may give any example of other functional groups. Question 19. Describe ionic compounds on the basis of the following properties. A part. Strong force of attraction between positive and negative ions. Ionic compounds are generally solids which are in the form of crystals. In these crystals, ions have strong attractive forces. That's why ionic compounds are generally hard. B part. Solubility of compound in water. Ionic or electrovalent compounds are mostly water soluble. Actually, water helps in separation of oppositely charged ions from these compounds. This is known as dissociation. C part. Electrical conductivity. Ionic compounds are good conductors of electricity. Actually, conductivity is due to the ions which carry charge. Since ions can move only in the molten state or in solution, these compounds are conducting under these conditions. However, they do not conduct electricity in the solid state since ions do not move as they are very closely packed in the solid state. Question 20. What is an electric motor? State the principle on which it works. What is the function of the split ring in an electric motor? Electric motor, a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, is known as electric motor. Principle on which it works. When a current carrying conductor is placed in the magnetic field, it experiences a force. Function of the split ring in the electric motor. Split ring act as the commutator which reverses the direction of current after every half rotation. Optional question. Give an experiment to demonstrate the force acting on the current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field. You have to write activity 13.7 from page number 230 here. In this activity, we have used here aluminium rod, plug key, battery, and connecting wires, stand, horseshoe magnet. We have to draw the diagram and arrange the apparatus as shown in the diagram, and when plug key is on and current passes through the circuit, then this conductor or the aluminium rod experiences a force whose direction can be given by Fleming's left hand rule. You have to explain this activity in detail for the answer of this question. Question 23, part A. List in a tabular form two differences between a voltmeter and an ammeter. Voltmeter is used to measure the potential difference, whereas ammeter is used to measure the current in the circuit. Voltmeter is connected in parallel in an electric circuit, whereas ammeter is connected in series. Third point, voltmeter has high resistance and ammeter have low resistance. You have to write any 2 points out of these. B part, how much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb across 2 points from lower to higher potential having a potential difference of 12 volt. First of all, we will write the given terms. Charge Q equal to 2 coulomb. Potential difference 12 volt. Work we have to calculate. As we know, V equal to W upon Q. So W equal to V into Q. We'll fill the value 12 to the 24 joules. C part, define 1 volt. Potential difference across two ends of a conductor is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb charge from its one end to another end. Optional question, A part, name and state the law that gives relationship between the current flowing through a conductor and the potential difference across its two terminals. Also express this law mathematically. The potential difference across ends of a given metallic wire in an electric circuit is directly proportional to the current flowing through it provided its temperature remains the same. This is called Ohm's law. Mathematically, V directly proportional to I, V is equal to IR, where R is resistance or constant. B part, draw the VI graph for this law. Justify your answer. You have to draw this graph using pencil and scale in this answer, and graph will be a straight line starting from origin, means those conductors which follow this rule, means for which this line is straight from origin, those are ohmic conductors. C part, draw the circuit symbol for variable resistor and closed key. This is the symbol for the variable resistance or rheostat. You have to draw it by using pencil. Symbol for plug key or switch closed. You have to draw this one by using pencil. Thanks for watching.